साला अभी अभी हुआ यकीन कि आग है मुझ में कहीं। हुई सुबह मैं चल गया, सूरज को मैं निकल गया रूबरू।
I wanted to thank all of you for supporting the account, and I wish all of you have a great time this year. Thank you.
I used to think that I could not go on, and life was nothing but an awful song. But now I know the meaning of true love. I'm leaning on the everlasting arms. If I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly, I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day, spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar, I see me running through that open door. I believe I can fly.
Hello, Adega. Lab had located for the US bank.
Oh, hi. Yeah, Prasad told me today morning that new joinees will be coming. I'll introduce you to Ramesh. He will give you induction.
Okay.
Hi, Ramesh.
Hi, Amber.
Ramesh, these all are new joinees in Hogan. Please get them introduced to basic processes and the modules in which they will be working.
Sure, I will take care of it.
Yeah.
Hi team.
Hi.
Today we are going to cover the Hogan KT session. So Hogan is a core banking application. It has basically 3 modules: DDA, CAMS, and CIS. You both guys have to work in the CIS module. You both have to work in DDA, and you both have to work CAMS module. And please go through your respective module CAP document, and please let me know if you are getting any queries or any kind of concern.
You all can go through the CAP document. CAP documents are here and get your basic things here.
किताबें बहुत सी पढ़ी होंगी तुमने, मगर कोई कैप डॉग भी तुमने पढ़ा है।
पढ़ा है मैडम जी, बहुत कुछ पढ़ा है।
बता मेरे कैप डॉग में क्या क्या लिखा है। टिंग 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 टिंग।
सॉल्यूशन कुछ पता नहीं,
कैप सारा पढ़ लिया लेकिन क्वेरी सॉल्व हुआ नहीं।
Hey guys, don't worry. When Querylog is there, you don't have to fear. Querylog?
All is well.
So all queries have been resolved from CAP document and the query log. So we are thankful for the process being followed by the Hogan team. And we all are thankful to Prasad as he is implementing all the best practices and processes in Hogan, and these all processes are very useful to us. Thank you, Prasad.
Thank you.
Ganesh here. I want to thank the Fantoosh team for taking up this Week of Gratitude initiative, and I also want to thank all the people who are doing the great job, and keep doing the good work, enjoy your work and have fun. And I want to dedicate this song of my all-time favorite Kishore Kumar's O Mere Dil Ki Chain to the team. Enjoy.
दिल के चैन, ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए.
Hi, my name is Anurag and I'm taking care of testing team, and I thanks all my team members and my colleagues who are helping me in testing, and I take care of testing in Bangalore and on site, and I thanks all the team members who are directly indirectly helping. Thanks.
Hi
thanks
everyone, my name is Swapna and I represent the HR team for US Bank. Firstly, congratulations to the Fantoosh team for organizing such a splendid initiative on gratefulness and thankfulness. I think that's something which is often ignored, as part of the Wipro culture. Essentially, I think in Wipro there's often a very misconstrued phenomenon that if you don't hear anything, you're doing a good job. So it's pretty much silence that usually speaks for somebody's performance or the good job that they're doing, and I think it's really important to be grateful and thankful, and I think gratitude is about everything. It's the best attitude. So let's take this week out to be grateful to all our colleagues, our manager, our friends, our other internal stakeholders, and make the best of it. And even a small pat on the back or a few cents to tell them how much they are worth it will really make a long difference to each one of them. So firstly, thanks for giving me an opportunity to talk, and I'm very grateful to be associated with the US Bank. I think very self-starting and extremely enthusiastic team, very self-driven. So it's a great privilege, and in honor of the team, I'd like to dedicate the song "We Are the World" by Michael Jackson. May not be very connected to gratitude, but of course it's induces a lot of positivity and revolves around a lot of positive thoughts. So let's make the best of this initiative and hope Shubharambam, right? I think the initiative is called. I hope Shubharambam is a great success, and we keep continuing and also cross-pollinating this initiative across all other accounts in Wipro. So congratulations everyone.
Heed a certain call when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make it brighter than day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
I'm from the WMD team, helping Ganesh and Vijay's team in fulfillment. I've been with this team for 3 months now and have an experience of mixed expressions, I would say, with ups and downs, where we have not been able to fulfill positions and we have been able to fulfill with flying colors. Recently, R3.9 we have been able to deploy successfully thanks to the entire team and collaboration with the PMs. And I would like to thank the Pune team sitting there high, doing an awesome job. So keep it up. Hope to see this again happening quarter on quarter, and the team rocks. this is from Sumit.
Hi guys, this is Sumit. I would like to thank my RPS team in Pune, and you guys are awesome, and the journey we went through it is really marvelous, and I hope for the best journey and that going forward. And I would like to dedicate a song from the movie Dil Chahta Hai, the title song itself, Dil Chahta Hai, and RPS rocks. Thanks. Bye.
दिल चाहता है, दिल चाहता है, दिल चाहता है, कभी न बीते चमकीले दिन। दिल चाहता है, हम न रहे कभी यारों के बिन।
Hi, this is Sanju here. I just want to dedicate a message to Anurag, because he is a very good manager. Like past 5.5 years, I haven't saw such manager in my career. And a special thank to Vedashri also. And she is the one who take care of each and everything regarding our personal issue also, as well as the project issue also. Really, I am very happy to work in this project.
Hi, this is mobile testing team from Bangalore, and myself Tina.
I'm Remya.
I'm Jisia.
I'm Sudhakar.
When we think of this mobile testing, we would like to remember few names like Sridhar, Anurag, Malik, and Millie. Millie is
Very good. It's not the day, it's not the night, it's not the day weekend, or it's not the weekday. Whenever we call, whenever we need support, she always supported us. She always encouraged us. Whenever we did mistake, she covered in front of the client. She is awesome. She is very good. I appreciate Millie's support, continuous support, and I would be expecting more support from her in the future.
Yeah, we love you the way you are. Thanks a lot, Millie.
Thank you.
Hi all, I'm Garima here. I am so happy working with all the team members. Here also, all the people who are there with me, whether they belong to my team or not, all are so cooperating, and everyone is very nice in nature also. And I am really very thankful to Anurag and Atul, and I would like to dedicate one song from movie Gajni for both of them, because Anurag and Atul are two persons who have always supported me. So the song is कैसे मुझे तुम मिल गए किस्मत पे आए ना यकीन, because it really suits me. Thank you so much. Bye.
PMO of the account. I would like to thank all the project managers and delivery managers in my account. I would like to thank Mr. Vijay Narayan also. I would like to thank all the resources in my ODC who think me as the part of their team, and I thank everybody.
Hi, this is Sridhar AV. You have been hearing my voice in the offshore calls. So this is me. At this moment, I want to thank the entire offshore team along with the offshore management for all the support and cooperation that they have been extending to us, the on-site team, for the last 2.5 years, right from the ICTR apply days. So without you, this success would not have been possible for all of us at on-site. Thanks so much. I also want to thank the onshore management, the account management, the program management here for all the support that they have been giving to us. Thank you guys. Thanks.
This is team from Minneapolis downtown, and we are recording this for the 5th time with the change in Starcast now, so that it works fine. We have Millie Kapoor.
Hello.
We have Devinder Wagh.
Hi.
We have Ashutosh.
Hi.
Chetan Dhar.
Hi.
Myself Boku, and behind the cameras we have Shakti. I would take this opportunity to thank all my offshore team for the hard work what they have done so far. Thanks a lot.
I would like to thank all our offshore team at Pune and Bangalore, and special thanks to Madhur and Sushil at Pune Location. Thank you.
I would like to thank the offshore team at Pune and Bangalore for their sincerity and hard work. To mention few names, I would like to thank Priyanka, Vibhor, Divya and Sapna. Thank you.
Hi, it's a very great pleasure to working with the offshore team, and really I would like to thanks to especially Divya and Vibhor for their hard work. Thank you.
Hi, I'd like to take the opportunity to thank my offshore team at Bangalore Location. A special thank you guys to Tina, Sudhakar, Jesse and Ramya. You guys are doing a fabulous job, so let's keep up the good work.
And now it's Shakti.
We also have Shakti.
Hi, I'm Shakti Balaji. I've been part of this team for the past 10 months, and it's great working with this lively and friendly team. I've never got an opportunity to work with an offshore, and I'm looking forward to in the future. Thank you.
So that's it from Minneapolis downtown team, and we would like to dedicate the song Eye of Tiger from Rocky. Keep going guys. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
We held the greatest title in the whole world, babe. You lost that fight, Rock, for all the wrong reasons. You lost your edge. Now, when we fought, you had that eye of the tiger, man, the edge. And now you got to get it back. And the way to get it back is to go back to the beginning. You know what I mean? Maybe we could win it back together. Eye of the tiger, man.
Hello friends, this is Maninder and I belong to automation team, and these are very good persons, like helpful, generous, etc. you can say. And one thing I want to mention that these are very funny guys and also very helpful.
Hi, I am Rachna and I am from Access Online team, and I would like to thank Divya and Vibhor for giving me KT, and they are very helping.
Hello, I'm Ramandeep Kaur and I'm from automation team, and I would like to say thanks to Vinay for giving me a KT, and he's such a nice person.
Hi, I am Navarun. I am from RPS team. I especially thank to Pankaj, Amit sir and Jyoti to giving me KT.
Hello, this is Ida. I would like to thank Priyanka and Sapna, my EP team members, and everyone else in the ODC who has provided us a light environment and supported us whenever we ask questions to them related to the project.
Hi, I am Sumit, part of automation testing team, and I would like to thank all my seniors in my US Bank ODC and all my team members for giving their wonderful support.
Hi, I'm Rohit Khajuria.
Done.
Hello everybody, my name is Naman Vora and I'm from US Automation team. This is my first assignment, and it's been very nice experience from the start. All my team members are very welcoming and nice. I would like to thank Manish, Project and Priya for providing me with KP.
क्या
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट काम
एनुअल रिपोर्ट
नहीं 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 मैं मिलता हूँ
तुमसे ही दिन होता है, सुरमई शाम आती है, तुमसे ही हर घड़ी सांस आती है, जिंदगी कहलाती है, तुमसे ही
Hi team, it is good to know that US Bank has come out with another good initiative, Appreciation and Gratitude Week. Appreciation is gratitude is something which is very unique according to me, and it has a lot of value. If you see as an organization, we always have given utmost importance to this. If you take any of our anchor awards like Feather in My Cap or Thanks a Zillion, it is nothing but appreciation, gratitude. Whenever somebody is doing very good in the team and we want to really recognize that and appreciate that, that will add a lot of value and motivate the person as well as others to do better, right? So that way, I think a week dedicated to that will definitely bring a lot of focus on this. And also other part is gratitude, right? Somebody is helping you, either in a project or anything, when you are in a crisis with customer or something happening to you where you are stuck and somebody is coming to you and take you out of that crisis. I think you need to really thank him. I think that is another part which will really it shows that okay, you are really thanking him, or it is like caring for his support, right? So I think this is something which is very good initiative from US Bank team. I would really congratulate the team behind it who has really initiated this great.
Hi everyone, this is Arun. I'm working for CMI side team, and I would like to give the thanks to everyone for making the project successful. And I hope that team will continue to have the same momentum for making the future project successful. Thank you very much. And the song I would like to dedicate to my team is Chak De India. Thank you very much.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे
I would like to say a big thanks to Deepak Dhandwale to lead the automation team for around 2 years. He has been done a remarkable and commendable job in leading the team with such a less experience, and it has been really great to have him on the team. To me, on the lighter note, to me he is like is junior Harish Sivnani. He has given me enough pop-ins throughout 2 years to resolve all the problems. And every time when I speak about any problem to him, he gave me some sugar coated pop-ins कि इसका solution ये है, उसका solution वो है, and then it is something like we lead with resolving the problem. So it has been a very good experience working with Deepak, and I would love to have him in my team for a longer period of time. For him, I would like to dedicate the song Duniya Ka Nara Jame Raho from Tare Zameen Par. Thanks.
कसके जूता कसके बेल्ट खोस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो
Hi everyone, I am Sumit and I am from US Bank Automation team.
Hey Sumit.
Hey Nikhil, how are you?
I am good. Hello friends.
Hey Lokesh, how are you man?
Yeah, I'm fine man.
Hi everyone, we are working from in the same automation team.
Yeah, we are working with Wipro from past 2 years.
2 years?
Oh sorry, it's past 3 years actually, and we are working together, cherishing our friendship and work.
I would like to thank US Bank for giving us opportunity to work together.
And I would also like to appreciate Lokesh for all his cooperation and support he has given to me.
And I think that Sumit should appreciate me.
Yeah, definitely. I would like to thank Nikhil also. He has done a lot of help to me.
Yeah. And we both like to appreciate Sumit.
Yes, thank you guys.
And this we
would like to dedicate a song
for our friendship.
Yaro Dosti.
दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है कोई तो हो राज़दार बेगरज तेरा हो यार कोई तो हो राज़दार.
Hi, I'm Ashit Srivastav and I work for Trust and Investment Team in Richfield, Minnesota. I would like to thank my team for all the efforts they have put in completing the trust and investment projects on time and with good quality. And US Bank has always been appreciative of the expert knowledge that Wipro team has shown in all the projects across different platforms and multiple projects. So I would like to, in the end, I would like to thank my team for all the efforts they have put in and keep up the good work. I would like to dedicate a song, the theme song of Roadies 9 to my team, Manmani, Manmani, Manmani. Thank you.
Hi all, I take this opportunity to thank you everyone who are working so hard for account growth. I also want to thank those people who are not currently part of account but who have created a very strong groundwork on which currently we are working. So I again express my sincere thanks and gratitude to you all for hard work and support you have been providing. I wish you all the best for your further upcoming career goals. I would like to dedicate one song to all the employees.
क्या करे वो जान कर अनजान है ऊपर वाला जान कर अनजान है.
Hi Harish, we want to thank you for the mentoring you have done to all the US Bank team, and we want to dedicate a song to you. Keep in touch with us and keep guiding us in next future.
है खबर मुझको भी है पता, हो रहा है जुदा दोनों का रास्ता.
Hello everyone, this is Pankaj and we are RPS team. I would like to appreciate RPS as well as PRP's team for maintaining friendliness within the team, making the work as an enjoyable thing and having fun at work. Team's eagerness towards learning new things, their initiatives, ideas, their dedication, and support towards the delivery. So in all, we are a good team, and I'm proud to be part of this team.
Hi, this is Jyoti. What I like the most about my team is the fun element, and that makes our work enjoyable.
Hi, this is Nidhi. I like my team a lot. It's really good to work with them, and I like all of them.
Hi, I'm Ujjwal, and I would like to appreciate all of my team because especially maintaining the chilled out environment for working, and especially I would like to appreciate Neha, Madhur and Sushil with whom I had a lot of fun and fun-filled time. Thank you.
Hi, I am Navalun. Hi, I am Rohit Khajuria.
Hi, I am Neha and I want to dedicate a song for my team, and that is Yahan Ke Hum Sikandar from the movie Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar.
Hi, this is Rajshri and this message is for the CL Docs team. I am really happy to be part of this team and to be working with all of you guys, and really wanted to appreciate your teamwork, commitment and collaboration, due to which our project has been such a success since the last, it's been almost a year now. I'd like to dedicate this song to you. It's from the movie Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar, and it's called pause. I forgot the song. Yeah, and the song I'd like to dedicate is Yahan Ke Hum Sikandar from the movie Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar. So keep it up.
Hello everyone, welcome to Equipment Finance team. As you all very well know that the Equipment Finance team always rocks. So without wasting any time on such a things, let's have a quick introduction of our team. I will start from my side. I am Ankita Sharma and I have been in US Bank from last 2 years, and I have been associated with this team from last 1 year. And the working environment is really very cool and I enjoyed it very well. And let's have an introduction of our team members.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka Shivlekar and I'm working with this team from last 3 months, and it's really very good to work with this team, and the colleagues are very helpful and very good environment.
Hi everyone, I am Abhishek. I'm working with this team from last 3 months and I really love working here.
Hello, I'm Jayashree. I'm in this project since last 1.5 years. This team is very supportive, so I'm enjoying working with this team.
Hi everyone, I'm Swapnil Avle. I'm tested for offshore. I would like to dedicate a song from Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar, Yahan Ke Hum Sikandar, to my team. So, ये team rocks. Yep.
Hello all, I am Deepak from Automation team. I joined US Bank 3 years back, and working with US Bank is an exceptional experience for me. With this opportunity, I would like to thank my manager Amit, my client Chan and Kathy, my friends Josna and Mahesh, and especially to my dear Automation team. I would like to dedicate a song to Josna. कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों.
कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों.
Welcome to the automation world of US Bank. Here is where we churn our automation script to reduce the routine manual test efforts. We come up with the solutions and new ideas for every challenge, may it be with the PDF or emails. We laugh together, fight together, have our own differences, but end of the day, we as a team stand united. We can lean on each other any day. In my journey from team member to team lead, I had all support from every one of you, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you. Thank you.
Yeah.
పాదమెటుపోతున్నా పయనమెందాకైనా అడుగు తడబడుతున్నా తోడురానా చిన్ని ఎడబాటైనా కంట తడి పెడుతున్నా గుండె ప్రతిలయలోన నేను లేనా ఒంటరైనా ఓటమైనా వెంట నడిచే నీడవేనా తడి కన్నులనే తుడిచిన నేస్తమా ఒడి దుడుకులలో నిలిచిన స్నేహమా.
Hello everyone, this is Ashwini from NST.
Hi, this is Yogesh from SSN.
Hello, I am Rima from SSM.
Hi, this is Faiz from CCR.
And there is Shruti from SPDR. We all of us like to appreciate Funtush team for their enthusiasm, their initiative, contribution and valuable efforts and time.
And we all would like to thank US Bank and its management team for constant support and encouragement that they have provided us all our way, and that's why our daily life is that much more simpler, and thanks to US Bank from all of us.
रहे या ना रहे कल याद आएंगे ये पल चल सोचे क्या छोटी सी है जिंदगी कल मिल जाए तो होगी खुश नसीबी.
We are the Exol EP team, and my name is Vipur, and I would like to thank my previous teammates who were here and supported me in my work. And it has been not possible to take Exol to the level which it is here without the support, and especially our previous leads, from which we learned a lot of leadership qualities and time management activities. I'd like to thank everyone.
My name is Rachna, and I would like to thank to my all team members.
Hi. My name is Divya. I would like to thank our on-site coordinator and client for taking up Singapore call in offshore timing.
Hi, this is Priyanka here. I would like to thank all my team members, all the ePay and Exol team members, plus the ones who have actually got released from our project for the coordination and working with us quarterly. And I would also like to thank my client for the knowledge transfer that they have given us till date. Thank you.
Hello, I am Ila Trivedi. I have recently joined a project, so I'd like to thank everyone in the team who has given such a good environment to work on. Thank you.
Hi, I am Sapna. I would like to thank the EP team and Axel team. I also joined the project just 1 month back, and I have started working with the support of my team, Priyanka and Ashu, and thank you very much for your support.
Okay. We would like to dedicate one song from movie हम एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम and एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम. Thank you.
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम, एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो है तैयार हम, है तैयार हम।
On behalf of everyone, I'd like to say that we had a lot of fun during all this process. So thank you Veda and Sujata for organizing this. And we'd like to dedicate a song that is Tumi Ho Bandhu. Song cocktail.
दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही, तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही, तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही। Every time, every minute of the day तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही, तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही।
Hi, I am Madhur.
I'm Sushil.
And we are both from PRPC team, and we would like to thank Abhijit and Chetan for their support in the November release.
क्या आप ऐसे झूठ झूठ बोलते हो तो मैं किसी को थैंक यू नहीं बोलना चाहता। आप बोलो ना, तारीफ करते।
किसी को तो बोल दो भाई।
किसी को बोलेगा? अच्छा। I would like to thank Jyoti, यार वो तो मारती रहती है हमेशा। I would like to thank उज्जवल, अरे नहीं यार नहीं। I would like to thank myself because I have done a great work there and I have done a lot for US Bank, and US Bank is at a place because of me. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Many of you might have known me already, but for those who are not, I'm Sridhar Checker, Portfolio Manager for RPS, Automation, Access Online, ePay and Trust Investment. By this time you might have seen a couple of clippings and guessed, why am I here? And you guessed it right. I'm here today to express my gratitude towards all of my teams, both offshore and onshore, and current and previous, for all their efforts which helped us build an excellent reputation before customer. Customer sees us as an integral part of their team today, rather than a mere vendor who pitches in, completes the task, goes away once the task has been accomplished. And it's each one of you who made this possible with your expertise and command over the applications in your respective areas. I would like to see the same to be continued going forward as well, which would take us to the next level of engagement. And I'm pretty confident that we all can do it together. Thank you for all your hard work and commitment. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank the entire management team for all their support and guidance. Finally, I would like to thank the Funtush team for this wonderful initiative. It's a great opportunity for each of us to express ourselves and share our thoughts towards the team. Thank you, Funtush team. Before I conclude, I would like to dedicate a quote by Napoleon to the team. Set up your goals high and keep trying until you reach it. Thank you. Bye for now.
Hi, my name is Ashok. I am currently leading the team of CMSI ILOS project. So I am happy to share with everyone. Like to thank everyone who had supported this project and made it as a big success. And I am dedicating this song, Kabon Ki Parinde, from Jindagi Nahi Mila Dubara. So once more, thanks for everyone.
Hi everyone, this is Sangam Bansal. I work for the ILOS project here in US, and I would like to thank my manager Ramnath Pai, my team lead Ashok Shivkumar, my project mates Lavanya, Padma, Arun and Ashwini, and we have Asan also. So, and for the team, for the whole team, I would like to dedicate this song Kavon Ke Parinde as from JNMD now. Thank you.
ख्वाबों के परिंदे उड़े दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे ओहो क्या पता जाएंगे कहाँ
रोशनी मिली अब राह में है दिलकशी सी बरसी हर खुशी मिली अब जिंदगी पे है जिंदगी सी बरसी अब जीना हमने सीखा है
याद है कल आया था वो पल जिसमें जादू ऐसा था हम हो गए जैसे नहीं वो पल जाने कैसा था कहीं दिल के जाओ उधर ही तो जहाँ भी लेके जाए आरज़ू ओहो जो भी हो सो जो भी हो सो उड़े जो भी हो सो हो
Hi, this is Nidhi, and this is my last week in US Bank, and I'm so lucky that this week has been arranged as Gratitude and Appreciation Week, and I have a lot of good memories, enriching memories with me of US Bank and the people, and I would like to thank them, and I would like to dedicate a song to them, and they are Gopu, Veda, Rahul, my team, Hogan team, Sonal, Pragya, the whole Hogan team. And the song which I would like to dedicate is
दिलकशी के जो रंग है तेरे दोस्ती के जो रंग है मेरे दिलकशी के जो रंग है तेरे दोस्ती के जो रंग है मेरे इन्हीं रंगों में छुपे सारे खुशी के रंग है देखो ना ये हल्के गहरे गहरे हल्के जिंदगी के रंग है Life is crazy है ये रंग बिरंग Life is crazy कहती है उमंग Life is crazy गाओ संग संग कुछ लम्हे रंगों में डूबे कुछ लम्हे रंगों से डूबे कुछ घड़ियाँ सिर्फ खामोशी कुछ घड़ियाँ पूरी मदहोशी
Hi, I'm Sajju Nambiar. I'm part of RPS IVR team.
Hi, this is Rahul and I am part of RPS Equal team and I would like to appreciate बोले किसे करो appreciate
यार एक चीज है, हमें कोई अप्रिशिएट नहीं करता।
हाँ यार हमें कोई appreciate नहीं करता, कोई थैंक यू भी नहीं बोलता। एक काम करते हैं, तू हमें बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं, हम दोनों एक दूसरे को अप्रिशिएट करते हैं।
सही बात।
क्या है appreciation?
ये रहा।
Okay. So this is our appreciation for each other. Thank you very much Sajju for being my very good friend.
Same here. Thanks Rahul for being a good friend.
यार कोई हम जैसा और भी है जिसे कोई अप्रिशिएट नहीं करता हो?
गोपू है।
अरे हाँ यार। Okay. Gopu, thank you very much for being our very good friend.
Thank you Gopu for being a good friend. Thank you.
पानी दा रंग वेख के पानी दा रंग वेख के अखियां चो अंजूर उड़ दे
जो अंजूर उड़ दे माहियाना आया मेरा माहियाना आया माहियाना आया मेरा माहियाना आया रांझना ना आया मेरा माहियाना आया माहियाना आया मेरा रांझना ना आया अखां दा नूर वेख के अखां दा नूर वेख के अखियां जो अंजूर उड़ दे अखियां जो अंजूर उड़ दे.
Hi, my name is Pavan and I'm working for AXOL at Richfield, Minnesota. I want to take this opportunity to congratulate my team at Offshore. I especially want to thank Abhijit, Vibhor, Divya, Priyanka Srivastava, Priyanka Shivlekar, and there are a couple of other people. There was a team of 10 people we had. Couple of them have moved out of the project, and but I want to take this opportunity and to let them know that client has appreciated their work extremely. We received positive emails about both the releases we had worked upon, that is R41 and R40, and I want to dedicate this song, which is very much in these days. It's a Himesh song. I'm a fan of Himesh, and it's Hukka Bar. And thank you so much for all your hard work and support. Thank you so much.
तेरी अखियों का वार जैसे शेर का शिकार तेरा हुस्न धुएंधार जैसे जलता सिगार तेरी अखियों का वार जैसे शेर का शिकार तेरा हुस्न धुएंधार जैसे जलता सिगार तेरे प्यार का नशा कभी यार कभी पार तेरा प्यार 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 हुक्का बार तेरा प्यार 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 हुक्का बार तेरा प्यार 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 हुक्का बार 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 तेरा प्यार 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 हुक्का बार.
Hi, this is Vinay Akula. It's a good pleasure for me to be part of US Bank and across this Appreciation and Gratitude Week, and I'm really enjoying the Fundus events. And I would like to thank Veda and Sujata, but Sujata, sorry, I would like to thank Veda because she wants me to thank her itself. And I would like to dedicate a song to Veda from the movie Love Aajkal, Chor Bazari.
चोर बाजारी दो नैनों की पहले थी आदत जो हट गई प्यार की जो तेरी मेरी उम्र आई थी वो कट गई दुनिया की तो फिक्र कहाँ थी तेरी भी अब चिंता घट गई तू भी तू है मैं भी मैं हूँ दुनिया सारी देखो लट गई तू न जाने मैं ना जानू कैसे सारी बात पलट गई घटनी ही थी ये भी घटना घटते घटते लो ये घट गई हाँ चोर बाजारी दो नैनों की पहले थी आदत जो हट गई.
Hi, this is Prasad Banala. I am Agile Automation, Single Point Agile Automation lead. So I just wanted to thank my team for their excellent efforts in sprint success. So and helping me in initiating keyword-driven framework and implementing in agile teams. So I just wanted to dedicate a song which is from Rang De Basanti, the title song. Thank you.
थोड़ी सी धोखने वाली धक 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 सांसें जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू वो बूंदे लाल लहू की, ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले, और मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती, मोहे 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 रंग दे बसंती, बसंती रंग दे बसंती, मोहे रंग दे बसंती, बसंती रंग दे बसंती.
Everyone, this is Ravi Kacholia. I'm project manager for the EF team. I would like to thank all of my team members, especially for the hard work they have put in making the EF software as the best. It's being published in the magazines also. Especially just to tell about my team, I would like to thank Swapnil, who is the lead offshore, Hemlata, Priyanka, Ankita, Jayashri and Tanishq. Abhishek has joined recently, so I welcome him to the team. And on this occasion, I would like to dedicate the song "Ruk Jana Nahi Tu Kahin Haar Ke" from the film Imtihan. Thank you.
रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के, रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के. ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही.
Hi guys, this is Mahesh Jain, representing Wipro Automation team from onshore. It's nice meeting you all here, and I'm just so happy to see our offshore automation team grow over the past 3 years from a 6-member team through now a 17-member team. I've always been hearing accolades from our clients here, from Kathy Chan and all of these guys. Meeting you all of here, I just want to dedicate a song for all of you. And before that, I have आपकी शान में एक 4 लाइन बोलना चाहता हूँ. जिंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है, हमारे इरादों का इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है, अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी पर जमी, अभी आगे सारा आसमान अभी बाकी है. And the song that I want to dedicate to all of our automation guys is Sada Haq from Rockstar.
We would like to dedicate a song to you during this appreciation and gratitude week. So here's a song for you.
Yeah, hi. यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, बड़ी हसीन है ये दुनिया, भूल सारे झमेले देखो फूलों के मेले, बड़ी रंगीन है ये दुनिया.
Hello friends.
Hi guys.
This is Vaishak here.
I am Sachin Malviya. We belong to automation team. Do you know Pune automation team is the biggest team in Pune?
It's been a wonderful experience to work with this young, energetic and talented guys.
Everyone here are always very helpful and kind-hearted.
In such a short duration, it's a big opportunity for me to bring out my skills. For this,
we would like to thank automation team and dedicate a song. We will rock you.
Causing utter devastation when we step into the place, and better believe that you can see we gonna rock and never stop it. Here we go again, hit you with the flow again, pick it up the second time around, we bring it on again, shout it out.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. Got blood on your face, you big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place. Sing it.
We will rock you. We will what I mean? Watch your back, we got Queen on this track. Bring the feedback and let it drop. As long as 5 bring the funk, Queen bring the rock, and it don't stop.
Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, shutting in the street, gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, you big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place. We will rock. We're gonna rock you, baby. We're gonna rock, yeah. We're gonna rock you, baby.
Hello everyone, this is Ram. I handle US Bank wholesale banking portfolio from Wipro side. It is great to learn about this idea of week of gratitude and appreciation. Thanks to the Fantush team for bringing this for us. I would like to thank my entire portfolio team at offshore as well as at on-site. I would also like to thank all the managers from offshore who supported me in the success of this portfolio. Especially 2012 has been a tough year for us with several new projects started, and you guys have supported us in a wonderful way. A lot of hard work you have shown, there's a lot of flexibility you guys have shown. I would like to appreciate that. And I want to dedicate a song for you from the movie Three Idiots. It is Give Me Some Sunshine, and this is for you.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो। ना 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 na 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 na. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.
हे योगी, लंच के लिए चलते हो?
नहीं, मेरी अभी क्लाइंट कॉल है, मैं नहीं आ सकता।
अरे प्लीज चलो ना बाहर।
अरे नहीं, मेरे को बहुत सारे क्लाइंट कॉल है आज, डिलीवरी कंप्लीट करनी है, सो आई हैव क्लाइंट कॉल, आई हैव गो एंड नो गो डिसीजन मीटिंग, सो आई विल बी जॉइनिंग दैट।
चलो क्या करेंगे? अरे तुझे पूछेंगे, कहाँ है राजन? अरे राजन चलो बाहर चलते हैं।
I am very busy. I have 2 manufacturing test case to execute. I can't come. Please don't disturb me.
यार चलो ना लंच
No,
के लिए।
Sweta, please don't disturb me. Please.
चलो अभी उपेंद्र को बताते। उपेंद्र
Yes, Sujata.
चलते हैं लंच के लिए
No, I
बाहर।
have to call with offshore, so I can't come. Thank you.
कौन है वे? इतना रात पर काम कर रहा है?
अरे करना पड़ता है यार, रिलीज चल रहा है।
तू नहीं, ऑफशोर वाले।
हाँ वही।
इतना काम दिला रहे हो? That is bad.
क्लाइंट से आ रहा है तो उनको ही भेजूंगा।
That is bad. चलो। अरे प्रवीण क्या कर रहे तू? अभी तक सोल्यूशन नहीं है?
कल का डिलीवरेबल्स है, परसों इम्प्लीमेंटेशन का डेट है और टेस्टिंग कंप्लीट नहीं हुई, तो मैं कहीं पे नहीं जा सकता। आई एम सॉरी, आई हैव टू फिनिश दिस वर्क फर्स्ट। नो
प्लीज कोई तो आ जाओ यार। कौन है मेरा लाइफ सेवर?
चलो सब लोग, फंटूस टीम का प्रोग्राम है।
अरे फंटूस
Hi, this is Upendra. I am working for IVR and SQL application for last 3 years. I would like to thank my team members Sajju and Rahul for all the hard work that they are doing, and I would like to thank my leadership team for the support and guidance which they are providing us throughout the journey. And last but not least, I would like to thank Fantush team for providing this platform. Thanks. Chuck the US Bank.
Hi, this is Praveen Tade. I'm working as an onshore lead for ETM ICS team. This has been a wonderful journey for me to work in Wipro technology and I'm really feeling very fortunate to work with the US Bank team. I'm very thankful to all managers like Amit Saxena, Sujata Sadashivani, that they have mentored me and support me a lot during my the period of my execution and to work onto the project. And I'm very thankful to all other managers who have already provided a kind support to me. And I feel very fortunate to work with the ICS offshore team. They are very exciting. They are very energetic team. I feel very happy that I'm working with such an energetic team. I'm very thankful to Pankaj, Sumit, Neha, Jyoti, Nidhi, Ujjwal. All those people have provided a lot of support from offshore team. And I'm seeing like this is a very good coordination between offshore and onshore team, and we do have a very nice client as well. So I'm so happy to work with this team. Last but the least, I just want to give one doha that is in Hindi to all my friends. That is from Kabir. Kshan kshan beetata jeevan, kshan kshan beetata jaye, har kshan ka upayog karo, बीता क्षण कभी नहीं आए. Thank you. Thank you.
आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है, बड़ा बेईमान है आज मौसम. क्या हुआ है, हुआ कुछ नहीं है. क्या हुआ है, हुआ कुछ नहीं है. बात क्या है पता कुछ नहीं है. खूबसूरत है तू, रुत जवान है. आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है, बड़ा बेईमान है आज मौसम.
Hi, this is Yogen. Currently, I am working with ICS team in US Bank. I have been working with US Wipro 5 years. I want to thank my team members. I want to thank my managers, mentors. I want to especially thank Amit Saxena, Sujata Sadashivani, Siddharth for their guidance and mentoring towards me. Thank you.
Hi, this is Abhijit, and I would like to thank my all PRPC team members, Rajan, Madhur, Sushil, and Priyank. Yeah. And I would also like to thank my managers who has always helped me. I would like to thank Sujata, Amit, and Sridhar. Thanks.
Hello everyone, my name is Rajan Agarwal. Currently working for PRPC, US Bank. I am working with US Bank for last 3 years, and I really like to be in US Bank. I really appreciate the help provided by my team members, colleagues, my managers, and I would like to appreciate all my managers like Sridhar, Prasad, Veda, Sujata, Abhijit and all. I would like to share my story. When I joined my US Bank 3 years back, so I just feel like I joined as a kid, but through the continuous help from the Prasad, Sridhar, I am really groomed up in the technology, in the management. I do feel like I do have all the skills to run the project very smooth and all. So I would like to thank everyone to help me out. Thanks everyone. And in the end, I would also like to thank you Fantush team, and would say yo Fantush Singh.
यूं तो अकेला भी अक्सर टेस्ट केस एग्जीक्यूट कर सकता हूँ मैं. मिल जाए जो टीम का साथ मुझे तो वैल्यू ऐड कर सकता हूँ.
Bye, I'm with you always. Now we need the more leaders to join us. Come on. Hi. Hello. Last the best.
Namaste, this is Sujata Sadasivani. I work as a program manager for the testing services, working on the ETM side. I operate from Brookfield, Wisconsin. I've been part of this account for the last 4 years, and all through this journey, there were several people who had helped me to make this journey wonderful and memorable. Of all, I would first like to thank Fantoosh team for giving me this opportunity to express my gratitude, and thanks to all the people who have helped me to make this journey a memorable one. First of all, to start with, Mr. Mahesh Raja, who has always been there to support me and stand by me when I am in duress. Thank you, Mahesh, for all the help. And there are several people who have left the account but still part of my life in form of their learnings or teaching or the feedbacks that they had given me. Of those, I would like to thank Mr. Rakesh Sarin, Mr. Satish Khade, Mr. Imtiaz, who were the initial instrumentalists to get me into this account. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I would like to thank Mr. Karthik Arumugam, who was then the program manager, who has helped me to support this journey when I was struggling at the initial days. He helped me to get through all the required things to do at on site to settle quickly. Thank you, Karthik. And I had other team members who were part of my journey, which is Sangeeta and Rajesh. They were there to give me support when I had nobody. So thank you to both of them. Apart from this, I had several people with whom I work day to day, and of those, I would like to thank Mr. Ganesh, who has been there and he's been mentoring me and coaching me for all the and getting me up for the new role. I would also like to thank Mr. Vijay Narayanan, who has helped me in this journey for all the supports whenever I needed to get any exceptions or any procedures from the offshore. He has always helped me to do this delivery into a success. The other people in my life who has helped me in this journey on the professional side are Ramnath Pai, Dipali Parab, Sridhar Chakka, Ponuswamy, and Prasad, Amit. They have always been part of the life, helping me, and I had a lot of great learnings from each one of them, which made me more and more stronger day by day. The learnings have never gone. It's a true experience in itself. And then the other members, the Brookfield family I have today, are the wonderful people with whom I work and live day by day, and we have wonderful memories to share with. Thanks to Praveen, Yogendra, who were the initial people. We were a small family of 3. Now we have grown to a family of 6. So I have Abhijit, Upendra, and Rajan, who has helped us. They have been part of this family, and we are expecting a new member who is Yogesh baby, maybe in a week or 2. The other people is the entire offshore team whom I met in Bangalore and Pune. They were so amazing and wonderful. They were really bubbly where it wants me to go and work with them day in and day out. Thank you, and keep up all the wonderful spirit. Apart from the people who work on this account, the other people who has helped me to make my journey smooth are the people from the recruitment team, the HR team, and not to mention special thanks to Dinesh, and that is Dinesh Balaji, and Mitu, who have helped me to make the financial transactions smoother. Thank you all one and all, and I would like to dedicate some songs, one to Veda and the other to all of us. Veda, this is for you.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो।
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। ना 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 na 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 na. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.
అది ఒక ఉదయం, ఆశలను తడిమిన సమయం, ఆ క్షణమే పిలిచాను హృదయం లే అని, లే లే అని. చిల్లుమని చల్లని పవనం, ఆ వెనక్కి వెచ్చని కిరణం, అందరిని తరిమెను త్వరగా రమ్మని, రారమ్మని. వేకువే వేచిన వేళలో లోకమే కోకిలై పాడుతుంది. Life is beautiful, 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 life is beautiful. Life is beautiful, life is beautiful. ఆహా ఆహా అది ఒక ఉదయం, ఆశలను తడిమిన సమయం, ఆ క్షణమే పిలిచాను హృదయం లే అని, లే లే అని.
Hi everybody, it's a Sunday afternoon and I am enjoying the sunshine in Pune, which has become my home in the last few months. My favorite poet is Rumi. He's a 12th century Sufi poet from Turkey. He says in a different context that, you know, when you actually appreciate somebody, it's not that you are appreciating another person, it's actually you are finding a space within yourself which needs acceptance, and when you do that, you are evolving to a different level, and that is what is happening in the whole appreciation and the gratitude week. I happened to pick this book, Miracles Happen, and it is making a lovely reading. It's by Dr. Brian Weiss. He says how miracles happen. And one of the things I personally believe is when you appreciate and when you have gratitude. When I say gratitude, it means grateful for the things that you have currently. What happens is you become a magnet for such things to appear in your life. You become magnet for good things happening again and again. I think that's the magic and that's the miracle which has happened in the last 1 week. I see the energy in the Pune and I see the newcomers, Fantush team, everybody putting and working towards making this happen, and all the people at onsite who not understood what it is but still stood by it to make this happen. Something happened, and that something is miracle to me, and that is the essence of this whole appreciation and gratitude week, where we reach out to another person, keeping our egos and barriers away, and a different sense of well-being, goodness, and that spreads across. I hope you enjoyed as much we enjoyed putting this together. At this moment, since it happens to be a thankful week, I would like to thank all the people who have worked behind the scene for the past 2 months to make this happen. To begin with, Prajakta for coming up with the design of the bookmark, all the newcomers who actually designed the bookmark, and the people who ensured that it reaches to you on time. Priyanka, Sumit and Tina from Bangalore who put together the video. Then you guys who are behind the scene, and then who took out time from your work and helped to make this happen. Sachin, Rahul, Vaishak and Sanju. I think you guys have become directors in the last 2 weeks. Then Ram and Priyank at onsite for giving me those videos, and most importantly the Funtush team. The whole concept of this week came when I was having a very random conversation with a couple of the team members, and they said, Veda, appreciation hota hai, but wo kuch to missing hai usme. And I said, let's do the appreciation week with more of a personal touch, and this whole concept came about. And another thing is that Funtush team, a lot of team members have spread across, and they're all across different geographies, and we wanted to put together which involves everybody, and that is how this happened. And I would also like to thank Usha. You must have, on the day 3 or 4, you would have received a lot of write-ups and the greeting card. Within a couple of days, she turned around all the write-ups into a beautiful greeting card, and I know you guys have liked that. Nidhi for sharing her write-ups, and Prajakta also for sharing her drawings. And whole lot of people who just love this concept. When I shared this, they just showed that enthusiasm which made this happen. First team is the Funtush team. When I just got this idea and shared with them, they said, Veda, we can do it. Don't worry, what is that we need to do? Thanks to Funtush team. Swapna, who's our HR, who's been really supportive of this whole idea. Thanks Swapna for that. And lastly, Sujata, who is the most super excited person and who supported this whole thing in a very nice manner. And all the managers, Ganesh, Mahesh, Ajay, Neeraj and Vijay, who maybe did not understand what actually this was whole thing about, but they said nevertheless we would want to participate. Srinath for supporting this entire testing team on that, and everybody all the team members, without knowing what we are up to, they were all excited, and they decorated the ODC, decorated the ODC with the concept, and showed such a tremendous amount of energy, which I know can be translated into something much better at a later point of time. Thank you. I would like to dedicate a very nice and a melodious song. Okay. Miracles happen, and our eyes are witness to that miracle, and to all the eyes which has watched this beautiful event happening, unfolding, and who have unfolded the beauty in themselves, to all the beautiful eyes, this song goes from Anwar. Aankhein teri kitni hasi.
Aankhein teri आशिक मैं बन गया हूँ इनमें तू मैं बन गया हूँ, मुझको बसा ले इनमें तू।